Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Analysis.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is Wednesday, November 30th. The time is 3 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of the pound Aussie here. 60 minutes chart. So we ended with P here at 174.50 and then we have started with C to the upside, which should subdivide into another 5 waves. We have wave 1 of C ended here. Now we are looking for wave 2 of C to correct this wave 1, which is in form of 3 swings, and we should be able to get support here 174.90 and 176.60, from where we could end with 2 and then starting to turn higher again against 174.57 here. Okay, so that's basically what we are looking at right now. Now you can see the arrow is still turning up. That means we still do not yet have a bullish sequence, and we're gonna take a look in the larger time frame to see why there is still not yet a bullish sequence here, right? So if we zoom out into 4-hour and try to copy P and 1. Now first of all, okay, I forgot to mention this with C of 2. If this can go down, we can go to this 100% extension here, approximately 174.90, 176.60. This is the support zone for this wave 2 to finish before we go higher again, right? Zooming out the 4-hour, now we got this A and B here, right? So the P is already finished here, and this is the 1. So that means this is the A here. Now we have what looks like an impulse after we bottom in September 26. So this is a 5 ways up, ending A, and this could be in the B, but we still don't yet have the confirmation until it can break above the A, right? And that's why you can see the arrow at this stage is still black, because we have not been able to break above A yet. Now once we break above the A, that will confirm the bullish sequence, because then we will have a high, and that will open up more upside. Now until then, until we really break above the A, another possibility, there's always another possibility in the Elliott wave, right? Another possibility is that this is not your W. So this could be just the first leg, let's say. Now you can even say, well, can I count this like a 5 ways? Maybe you can even do that, right? So you can call this AB, and then we can do something like this, C, okay, before we end the B here and go up again. So that's why that's the alternate. But over here, this rally, it does look like an impulse, and that's why we decided to call the more aggressive view, even though, like I said, for us to get more validation, it needs to break above A. A break above the A is going to open up upside level ABC, right? So it can go all the way up to 197.60 after it breaks above the A. So if you want to wait for confirmation, it's not really too late, right? Because a lot of people usually have this fear of missing out mentality. Oh, if I don't do it, then that's it, I will not have any chance. But that's not true. Even after it breaks above 182, you have a lot of chance to join again, because then you will get more confirmation that this is really finished and we got a bullish sequence, then targeting this 100% extension, right? So until then, for now, we just take the more aggressive view. But again, if you want the confirmation, break above here should open up more upside into this area here. And for now, this is the count. As long as we stay above the B, which looks like an impulse here, then we could see more upside as long as we don't break below 174.57 here. Okay, so if you want to get more updates, then you can check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. See you all again next time. Have a nice day, everyone.